Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send a picture or videos using your laptop or computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you need to make sure that the pictures or videos that you want is already saved on your device. Okay? And then after that, just go ahead and open your mail on your browser. After that, you can see this compose option at the upper part of your screen, so you just want to click on that, and then here you can now put the email of the recipients that you want and the subject. And then if you want to put a or send a image, just go ahead and click on this attach files option. It is like a oblong um, icon, right? It is like a pin. So just go ahead and click that, and now you can just choose the picture or videos that you want and click open, and then just wait for it, and then after that you're good to go. You can send that to your recipients. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.